Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to divide in Excel. So what you have to do is open an Excel sheet and you can see there are some units and some values according to their names. So if we want to divide between them, then let's uh, put a formula. So let's say we want to keep our results here. So what we can do is just keep our cursor here and type equals to, and then select the first one that you want to divide from, and put an divide slash option, and then select the second value that you want to divide by, then click on enter. Here you can see the results are here. So what will you do with this with these values? It will be really time consuming if we enter these formulas in each bar, right? So what we can do is just, it's so easy. Put your cursor at the pointer here at this point and drag it down. Voila, you can see these are the results we have got from this values. So this is how you can find division of some values from the Excel. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.